Welcome to The Explainer. We're often trying to solve complex problems, but sometimes the most elegant solution is also the simplest. Today, we're talking about a massive force of nature, wind, and how the best way to fight it might not be to fight it at all, but to outsmart it with just getting a little heavier.
So take a look at this, a gorgeous, sleek, modern solar panel setup just soaking up the sun. It looks amazing, right? But to the wind, this whole thing looks like a giant sail. So what's actually stopping a really powerful gust from picking this whole expensive setup up and turning it into a giant, very dangerous kite? Well, the answer is this invisible force called wind uplift. See, when wind zips over a surface, like a solar panel, the air pressure on top drops. But the pressure underneath, that stays a lot higher. And that difference? It creates this powerful lifting force. It's basically the same thing that helps an airplane take off, but when it's happening on your roof, it's a huge problem. So for years and years, the go-to method for fighting this uplift has pretty much just been brute force. The thinking was simple, right? If you want to hold something down, you bolt it down, hard. And this meant getting out the heavy-duty drills and going right into the concrete slab of a roof or a foundation. Then you'd sink these massive anchor bolts into the holes and grout them in with epoxy. It's a permanent, mechanical bond that's meant to physically fight against any upward pull. But, and this is a big but, there's a catch. This method is fundamentally invasive. Every single hole you drill is a new weak spot, a potential point of failure that compromises the integrity of the concrete. It can let water in, cause corrosion, and look, once those bolts are in, they are in. They're not coming out, and they leave permanent damage behind. Okay, so now let's look at a much more elegant way to solve this. Instead of drilling into a structure and, damaging it, what if you could just add weight to it in a way that works with gravity and doesn't hurt a thing? Well, this is exactly where concrete ballast comes into the picture. To put it simply, concrete ballast is just a heavy weight placed in a really smart way. It's a totally passive system, but it's incredibly powerful. It just uses its own mass to hold a structure down, and the best part? No drilling, no penetrating the surface it's sitting on, at all. And this right here, this just lays it all out, doesn't it? The old way, anchor bolts. You install it by drilling, and you damage the slab. The new way, concrete ballast, you install it by adhering, and you preserve the slab's integrity. It's a total shift from a destructive process to a constructive one. So you're probably wondering, how can these simple-looking blocks of concrete be so effective? Well, it's not just about plopping down something heavy. It's a really clever combination of two key things: sheer mass and some incredible modern bonding technology. First, let's talk about the mass. The weight of the concrete itself provides this massive, stable counterforce. It fights against both the upward lift and the sideways push from the wind. We're talking about a system that's designed to hold on tight in wind speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. That is some serious staying power. And second, and this is the really cool part, these ballast blocks aren't just sitting there. They are secured to the slab with an industrial strength adhesive. This stuff has a tensile strength of over 36 newtons per square millimeter. That creates an unbelievably strong bond that resists being pulled apart. And it does it all without a single drill hole. I love this slide because it really tells the story of progress. On the left, you've got the old way, the drills, the mess, the brute force. And on the right, you see the result of the new way, a clean, seamless system that actually respects the building it's on. It really is an evolution in thinking. So when you choose a non-invasive method like this, you're getting a whole lot more than just a secure installation. This new approach leads to a whole list of really clear benefits. So why does all this matter to you? Well, by not drilling, you're protecting your property's value and its structural integrity. The crazy strong adhesive means it works against high wind loads, which gives you peace of mind. The installation is also way simpler and faster. And, this is crucial, it's reversible. The entire system can be removed later without leaving a trace. Think about the money that saves down the line. Yeah, that whole reversible thing, that's a total game changer. It's a tough, robust solution for permanent things like rooftop solar, for sure. But because it's non-damaging and you can take it away, it's also absolutely perfect for temporary things like event structures or modular buildings. It's strength and flexibility all in one package. And that really brings us to the final thought here. You have a solution that's strong, it's safe, it preserves the building, and it's adaptable for whatever you might need in the future. It proves that sometimes the smartest engineering isn't about more force, but just a better, heavier idea. It really makes you wonder, when the answer is this simple, why would you ever drill again?